Today we're going to be taking a look at a drain pipe cleaning machine. I'd like to thank VEVOR for sending this to us in exchange for a video. All the views and opinions in this video are my own. We're going to assemble this for you today and explain what comes in the box and how the machine operates. So let's get into it. We'll have to assemble some wheels first, that way it's easy to move around. I'd like to point out that it does come with just a regular 120 volt outlet plug. So this is gonna be able to be put into any outlet that's standard here. We got a set of stair climbing wheels here for if you're headed up a flight of stairs. It makes it a little bit easier. They go up or down. Then you've got some chunky wheels, which we're gonna put these ones on today. You don't want to forget your washer on the inside of your wheel. They do provide the washers and the lock nuts. Okay, so we have what is going to hold the snake part, the metal part that comes out. That's going to hold your bits on here. And it does have Zerk fittings, so you can grease this up with the proper amount of grease. And it comes with the washers and the lock nuts. So this goes right on top. This will be fed through here. Make sure you pull out the snake part first, and then you're able to attach this on. That way you're able to get your bits on there. To install the wheels that it rolls on, this one's already done, but let's give a show how this one goes. Just like that. You're going to need a couple of tools to bend cotter pins in place, or your fingers. You're going to need some wrenches to tighten down the bolts, and those are good and in place. We're going to take the handle, we're going to get the bolts and connect it like so after looking at the instructions a little bit better. So for the handle, you're going to have your bolt, your washer, and a wing nut, which is great technology. And repeat for the rest of them. Next here, you got the handle that just screws in. Easy enough. That'll be to give it a left or a right. Like I said earlier, any extension cord, any outlet that's a standard outlet. It does have a GFI reset system on here. And it also comes with the pedal for on-off power. Let's show how this actually goes on. You can pull this through by just pulling it through and then getting it set up and putting all your bolts back tight. And right now it's kind of in a neutral. So it just stays where it wants to. If you pull it, if you're on this side, if you pull it towards you, it will go out. And then push it away. Got this here. There's no up or down. It goes on either way. It slides on to that pin and then locks in place. Just like so. They have a key to where if you put that in there, jam around a little bit, you gotta find a tappy spot. You can find it, you will get better at it. There's that, and then it does come right off. That wasn't too bad. So a couple of practice times and you'll be just a champion at it. Okay, so what we got here is a simulation of our drain, and it is clogged. We're gonna show you how this pushes things through. It does come with gloves, several different attachments. Let's get into it. God.
Nice. There was our club.
All right, let's rewind it.
Retract.
Retract time. So we go from going out to go back in. Let's see what happens. there you are. You have your VEVOR snake draining cleaning equipment for you.